Hi, this is Kelly Shepard. Welcome to my Enhancement 9 project. Here is my page. As you can see, I went ahead and loaded all the pictures. You can see they have all gone to the different sizes. And there's also a couple pictures that I put in as well. They're all in there, all the different sizes and the different pictures. Okay, we checked on the validation for the CSS and also for the HTML, and it's all no errors. You can also see it has created the images, and they are all on here, including the balloon and the balloon star one that I added as well. Let's go ahead and look on the page. We can click in and see them all. Hold on, let me get up to the top. Again, there we go. I believe I put one in. Let's see. Nope, it wasn't that one. It was, let's see, explosive, I believe, a small bomb. You can see the pictures there. If you want to inspect them, let's look in the images. Okay, let me get this to where you can actually see it. It's the smaller images. Let's see. I'm not sure where the images are, but they are the different sizes. You can also see my brain is tired and it doesn't want to work right now. That they are the different sizes. If you look in the images library in the products, you can see the different sizes. The 500. Let me bring it down so you can see it a little better. There's the catapult. You can see the dimensions are 500 by 345, and the 200 by 137 pixels. Same with the piano. They're the different images, as well as the ones I put in for 500 and 333 to the smaller 200 by 133. Anyway, they're all the different sizes, and so everything works. Everything is checked out. Thanks for your time. Bye.